In this video, we will learn Get familiar with Rabbito post approvals. Rabbito provides collaboration features for teams, allowing you to invite members to join as creators or editors. Creators can focus on generating content to drive marketing efforts, and editors can review and publish the approved post. To invite users and assign them, role-click on users from left-hand navigation. Enter email of user you want to invite. Select role of user. Click on Send Invite button so users will get invited. When creator creates post, it will go in pending mode until approved by editor. This is editor's timeline. Editor got notification that creator's poster need approval. Now editor have two options. He can accepts or rejects creator post by clicking on Accept or Reject button. Whether editor accepts or rejects post creator, creator will get notification. When editor approves post, it will show on creator's timeline.